Shout out J.I. What up, big J.I.? That boy shining. Got those ports cleaned out. Big suction up on these motherfuckers right there. Big nostrils, big gills, big lung capacity. There's the old gasket there. Got the air box, intake. There's the top of the plenum and the throttle body. Let's see if I can give you guys a look at what this was looking like real quick without losing the hardware. You see the Nikes on the feet, boy. What up? Shout out Mac Miller. Rest in peace, Mac Miller. Rest in peace to the family, all the lost loved ones. That's why we're doing this right here. Got all the hardware there. And the spacer. And new gaskets. So I'm gonna tie all this up and show you guys what's up.
Purchase your tracks today.
Let's go. Let's go. J.I. Beats. What up, J.I. Beats? Let's see what's wrong. We got the scanner right here. I'm gonna check it out with the scanner, see what it said. Got the Need for Speed going. Something's wrong though. This thing started smoking up some oily smoke. We gotta check it out. How's it sounding though? Shit needs to get used to the whip. Hella raspy still. We got those art pipes on there. If you guys ain't seen that art pipe video, make sure you guys go fucking click on that video. Check it out. These pipes installed underneath. Now I'm working on getting something else for this ride. Now we're gonna throw on the Q52, so you guys stay tuned in. Let's keep running this shit. Gotta keep the eyes out. These motherfuckers be watching. Better not run up though. You can watch, you ain't gonna run up though. Shit. I don't want that. Better stay back over there, out there, motherfuckers. Oh, you fucking asshole. Mm-hmm.